Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 dividend stocks every investor should be buying right now. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything of value, hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, I do have a course and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. So at least check it out. So now let's jump into it, roll the intro. Let's go. Now, for those of you that don't know what a dividend is, well, dividend is pretty much when a company makes so much money, they will pay their investors in the forms of dividends. Me personally, I like to make sure I have a broker that offers DRIP, which is the dividend reinvestment plan. This is why you guys can clearly see the difference between reinvesting your dividend and not. So make sure you guys reinvest your dividends. So the top 3 dividend stocks to buy right now, let's go. Bam. Alrighty guys, so the very first dividend stock here that I think every investor should buy, especially this year, is ticker symbol MMM. This is 3M. Now 3M does anything from construction tapes all the way to aerospace engineering. So the company makes a lot of money, they have a ton of cash on hand, and the beauty of this is this stock is a dividend king, so they have been paying dividends for more than 50 years, which is really, really strong here. Now, look at this. This stock has a beautiful upward trend, and all these dollar signs are dividends. So you guys can see, back in the day, they used to pay a 40-cent dividend. Now they pay a $1.40 dividend. So they've been increasing those dividend payouts. Yes, we do have a short-term downward trend, but I personally think once we get a break of this 200 moving average line, we're going to get a lot of buying pressure starting to enter this stock here. Beautiful stock for the long term, and really one that you don't really have to worry about. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. Now the next stock here that I think every investor should own is the one and only Home Depot. I am one of the biggest bulls for Home Depot. Now, Home Depot has beautiful growth. It is not a dividend king, but one thing I do like about this is over the past 5 years, it's increased their dividend payouts by 20%, which is very, very strong. So looking at this stock here, you guys can see that it really likes to trade in between $292 and around $260. I think a perfect strategy for this is dollar cost average this thing all day long. Figure out how much you want to invest and then just invest into payments, and you guys can compound your money very, very fast, okay? Make sure you guys are signed up with DRIP too. So this one definitely does carry a lot of long-term potential. Look at the growth of this. No signs of stopping it. Really has outperformed all the indexes, the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. And for those of you that don't know what Home Depot is, well, Home Depot is that construction store that sells anything from hardwood floors all the way to insulation. It's mostly a home goods and construction store here. Definitely one that I think every investor should take a stab at. Now, the last and final one here that I think every investor should buy is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola was trading for around 55, sold off and did find some overall support here at around $48. I think Coca-Cola is definitely on a short-term sell-off, and I think the momentum will continue to step back into the stock here. This is a dividend king. It's been paying dividends for more than 50 years. For those of you that don't know what Coca-Cola is, Coca-Cola sells beverage products. So I definitely think this is a company that does good in recessions and in bull markets, and obviously it's slowly increased their payouts. It used to pay a 30-cent payout, and now it pays a 41 every quarter. Beautiful long-term growth, nice solid upward trend, and it really likes to use this 200 moving average line as support. It's hit it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, and now it comes in contact with it here at 48. What do you think is going to happen? I think buying pressure is going to step into this stock here. All of these stocks, guys, carry a lot of long-term potential. Make sure you guys are signed up with a broker that offers what? DRIP, dividend reinvesting, okay? Because you want to start compounding your money. You make a lot more money in the long term doing that. I personally use M1 Finance. I think it's a fantastic platform, and I'll put a link down below so you guys can check it out, and you guys can check out my portfolio. That'll be one of the links down below. But all of these stocks, guys, make sure you guys have a solid base of ETFs, blue chip stocks, and then go to town on these. Everybody should have dividend stocks. It's a no-brainer. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.